Kalimpong ialehkai sports kabalatip kum ka inter-school athletic meet kabala pynlong da ka office u DSO Ri Bhoi District kala sdang mynta ka sngi ka khanyo tarik u Jymmang R1000 madan NSCA Pahamsyiem nongpo hadien snem bala pynsangeh namar ka khlam COVID khatkhandai yakate Kalimpong lawan ban plie pyrda da Arpit Upadhyaya Deputy Commissioner ka Ri Bhoi District kum u kongsan bat u Giri Prasad Superintendent of Police ka Ri Bhoi kum u symbud kongsan Leadon ryngkat lang uba Bobby L Nongbet District Sports Officer Ri Bhoi District uba RB Shadap ubalong President ka RBDSA ki principal ki nonghikai bet ki khana school ki balaya shimbenta shit rem hakatei ka sngi hakatei ru kejuk Kalimpong kumba tali ki school na keleng ka Ri Bhoi District kilawan ban shimbenta lang haki jinglehkai ba pher
And I would also tell that after 2 years of pandemic, I would give special appreciation to Bobby because he was very keen enough to organize this event because we have not organized this for the past 2 years, unfortunately because of the pandemic. So sports as such gives you self-confidence and determination to achieve bigger in life. So I would appeal to all the young minds present here that all of you have to concentrate on some or the other sports. So you'll get discipline in life and also you'll achieve better goals in life. Appeal to all of you that please take interest in a particular sport and focus on it with determination so that you go achieve bigger heights and you represent the state and the national, in fact at Olympics also. So that should be our motive, and I would definitely believe that all the support as far as we could and from the district sports administration side will be provided, and with which you can definitely achieve greater heights in the sports which you like. And I would also like to thank you boys for achieving the best position in the district in the whole state, and I think a lot of credit goes to Bobby also for his continuous zeal, his enthusiasm in organizing events like this. So for past 2 years, because of pandemic, we were not able to organize athletics meets, but finally we are having it now, and despite rains and all, we will still continue with this thing. So this shows the amount of excitement that we have, all of us, and the kind of participation we are having here today. So this fills my heart with a lot of joy, being the Deputy Commissioner here. See, I would like to first tell about, just express my feeling that it is not the importance of sports meets like this. It is from events like this that we are able to find out a young budding talent, and these young college students, school students, are can be nurtured after some time to attain better quality sports, to emerge as a sports person from this level only. Apart from this, not just for fitness and all, fitness and good health, it is also important for sports. It generates a feeling of team spirit, a feeling of confidence, touching high levels. It boosts your confidence. So I would like to say that these kind of events, I think we should happen very regularly. And I am sure our sports officer, who is very enthusiastic about these things, will keep on doing, will keep on organizing things like this, events like this, so that we can keep meeting again and again, and we can nurture the young burning talents since their school times only. So with all this, it's a